We are in Kyoto, Japan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. We are at Ninja Dojo and Store, and today we're going to train to become ninjas.
This place turns ninja history into experience where you can learn classic moves, try weapons, and then browse a shop full of authentic looking gear.
First, we're changing to ninja clothes.
Funny face. Yes, I got it. Nim, Pyo, To, Sha, Kai, Jin, Netsu, Zai. Toes, fast.
Oh, too slow.
Cut down straight. Yes. Big combo. Right foot. Lift the forward. Unhook and push. Open. 2 hands. Up. Cut down. Cease. Yes. Very good. Fast. Same side forward. Like good slice leg at the same time. One more step. 2 hands. Step 2 hands.
Uh-oh, I didn't hide. We're now gonna throw a real metal shuriken at the dartboard.
Yes.
Oh. Whoa. Lastly, we're gonna blow darts.
So one hand in middle, both ways okay. One hand here. Then put your mouth tightly, quick and strong blow. Huh. That's it.
Oh, wow.
Wow, bullseye! leg. 조절이 leg.
We just finished our ninja training at Ninja Dojo.
I really enjoyed throwing the shurikens and blowing the darts. It was really fun, but I also generally enjoyed the whole experience.
Some of the things I was not that good at, like learning the ninja hand signals, but there were other things that I did better at, such as blowing the darts. Blowing the darts was my favorite activity because I've never done that before. Like in the US, I've done archery before, but I haven't blown darts, so that was very unique. Overall, it's a very authentic experience, and it's great that English speakers can come and learn the ways of a ninja. We didn't plan this, but we happened to be in Kyoto on the day of the parade for the Gion Festival, and the Gion Festival is a month-long celebration in July, but on 2 of the days they have parades with floats that come down this big street. And at first, it was kind of an inconvenience because the bus we were supposed to take is on this street that's blocked, so then the bus couldn't come. So we have to get off and walk a little more, but at least we're here where all the tourists are.
This festival is a centuries-old ritual meant to purify the city and pray for good health.
There's two interesting houses here, a grass house and a yellow house, that are sandwiched between newer buildings. Now that the parade is over, there's construction workers putting the traffic lights back into place. I've never seen that before. At the family marts in Kyoto, they have otani onigiri. I've always wanted just chicken skin. We hiked up a really long hill. It was filled with shops that had such good looking food, and we finally made it to a famous temple, Kiyomizu-dera.
Founded in 778, this UNESCO-listed temple is known for its dramatic wooden hall and sacred spring.
So the temple is right over there, and then as you're walking down, there's a street full of shops, and a lot of them serve food. Today is a crazy hot day. It's 36 Celsius. Basically feels like 100 degrees Fahrenheit. We were gonna get shaved ice, but the place has 3.9 stars, so we're just gonna walk down before the sun comes out of the clouds. Our final stop is the Thousand Torii Gates.
Founded in 711, this sacred shrine is famous for its thousands of red torii gates, each donated as a prayer for prosperity, winding through the forested mountainside.
This is a one-way pass, so we're just gonna go and see where it ends up. This is also a religious site in addition to being a tourist attraction, so you can put your wishes over here, but you have to pay for it. From here you can climb to the top, Mount Inari, and the sign says 40 minutes one way. I think it's slightly less than that, but still, after traveling for 30 days, we don't want to walk any more stairs. So we're gonna turn around here. It's a good stopping point. We finished exploring the Thousand Torii Gates, and this is definitely a must-do when you come to Kyoto. Of all the religious sites we visited in Japan, I think this one is the most picturesque. Yeah, I've just never seen anything like it. Kyoto has so many different temples and shrines you can choose from, but you definitely have to come here.
I also really enjoyed it. You can get a lot of photos. I think the best is when you're heading back and you get all the words. There's mosquitoes here, and there's a lot of cicada sounds. So you can definitely feel the nature.